Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee homemade. First, always begin with high-quality, fresh coffee beans. Grinding them right before brewing is crucial for unlocking their full flavor potential. Remember, the foundation of a great cup starts with these simple, yet essential, steps. Using filtered water also makes a significant difference in taste, ensuring a clean and pure flavor profile. The right grind size is paramount. A coarse grind is perfect for a French press, while espresso demands a very fine consistency. Equally important is your water. It should be clean, filtered, and heated to the optimal temperature, typically between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature range ensures proper extraction without burning the coffee or leaving it underdeveloped. There are many ways to brew, each offering a unique experience. A French press delivers a robust, full-bodied cup, while a pour-over method allows for a cleaner, more aromatic brew, highlighting subtle notes. Drip coffee makers are excellent for convenience and consistency. For a strong, concentrated shot, an espresso machine is your best choice, creating intense flavor. For a balanced cup, a common coffee-to-water ratio is 1:16. This means for every 1 part coffee, you use 16 parts water. Proper storage is key to preserving freshness. Keep whole beans in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, not the refrigerator. Finally, always enjoy your homemade coffee immediately after brewing to savor its peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.